Hi everybody, today we're going to do lab number 3, which is muscular strength, power, and endurance. First slide, work. When a force acts upon an object to cause displacement of the object. It's measured in Newton meters. The equation for work is mass times gravity times distance. Mass is measured in kilograms. Constant due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and distance is in meters. Strength versus power. Strength is the maximum amount of weight a person can lift for one repetition. It is expressed as a 1 rep max or 1 RM. Example given is Helga's 1 rep max is 450 pounds, so she is strong. Power, the time it takes a person to move a load through a certain distance. Two kinds of power, absolute power, how long it takes a person to move a load through a certain distance. It's measured in watts. It does not factor in the mass of the person, so absolute power does not factor in the mass of the person. Equation, force times distance over time, or work over time. Either one will work. Force is measured in newtons, time is measured in seconds. The second kind of power is relative power, also known as personal power. It is mass or weight dependent power, also measured in watts. It does factor in the mass of the person. Relative power equation, force times distance over time over weight, or work over time over weight. Which type of power is better comparing scores? Obviously that's going to be relative because you take the size of each individual person into account. Next slide, endurance and fatigue. Endurance is the ability of the muscle to maintain contraction over a period of time, or rhythmically contract over and over. Fatigue index is rate of fatigue onset. The higher the fatigue number, the greater the rate of fatigue. Next slide is muscle contractions. First blank is maximal voluntary contraction, or MVC. It is 100% of isometric static contraction. Example is squeezing a fist. Static contraction, muscular contraction without range of motion. No movement occurs. That's also called isometric. Example there is pushing a wall. Third one is rhythmic contraction. Dynamic muscular contraction with movement. Also called isotonic. Example there is lifting weights for reps, aerobics. Know these conversions, so you need to memorize these. These will be used on your quiz and on your final. You will need to know how to convert. So here they go. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. 1 centimeter is 0.01 meters. 1 meter is 39 inches. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. 1 newton meter equals 1 kilogram meter per second. And 1 watt equals 1 newton meter per second.